Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so the connection works. On your iPhone, update iOS and open the Weight Watchers app. Sign in so data maps to your profile. Once done, make sure your Apple Watch is paired and updated, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, and the health app permissions for activity, workouts, and heart rate are enabled. This avoids permission blockers. Doing these checks first prevents repeated disconnects and speeds the sync process as you proceed to enable the WW Watch companion. Now you'll install and pair the Weight Watchers Watch app. On your iPhone, open the Watch app, find Weight Watchers and tap Install. Then open WW on your iPhone and navigate to Settings, Connected Devices, Apple Watch to begin pairing. Make sure background app refresh is enabled for both apps and grant the health app access to steps, workouts, and active energy. These permissions let WW read watch metrics so points and activity sync automatically. Keep the watch on while the initial sync completes to a finish by verifying the sync and addressing common issues. Open Weight Watchers on your watch. You should see activity and points feeding through. If it stalls, force close WW on both devices and reopen. If that fails, restart the iPhone and the watch, then reauthorize health permissions in Settings. Make sure both devices use the same Apple ID, Bluetooth is active, and background app refresh is allowed. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the watch companion so fresh permissions and a clean handshake occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.